Welcome back to the VTC course on Wireshark. My name is Jamie Oates and I am your host during this training. In the previous videos, we began with the OSI model, finishing with layer 5, the session layer in the previous video. Layer 6 is the presentation layer. The presentation layer's main activity is the translation of data. You know, those zeros and ones which we can't read. When data is sent from one node to another, or sender to receiver, it is translated at the presentation layer. Once data has been received, it is passed through the presentation layer for translation and then converted into the common transmission format. When the data is received by the other receiving node, the presentation layer changes the data from the common format back into a readable format that is usable by the application. Protocol translation, which is the conversion of data from one protocol to another. This is so that it can be exchanged between different computers using various platforms or even operating systems. The presentation layer is also where gateway services operate. Gateways are connection points between networks which use different platforms or applications, such as email gateways, and gateways that use cross-platforms or file systems. Software redirectors also operate at this layer, which allow for redirection of data. The presentation layer is also where data compression takes place, which reduces the number of bits and bytes that need to be transmitted over the network medium, this decreasing the time of sending and receiving data over the network. Data encryption and decryption also take place in the presentation layer. Encryption is the process of encoding messages or information in such a way that only authorized parties may read it. In the next video, we will take a look at the application layer, which is layer 7, the final layer of the OSI model.